Right, I'm here in Hemel Hempstead, about to get some brand new hair, looking forward to it. Had one before, absolutely loves it, changed my life, it's amazing. I recommend anyone getting it that needs it, or even if you don't need it, get one as well, they're awesome. Yeah, so next time you see me, I'm gonna have a full head of hair and I won't look like a little monk. Catch up with you in a bit.
You found a massive difference with the opposite sex?
God, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my God, you would not even believe. Like,
I would.
Yeah. Actually, yeah, you would.
Yeah. Oh, some of the guys I've had come in here look nothing special at all.
Yeah.
You know, they get their hair done. They turn into studs, mate, don't they?
It's crazy.
Literally,
it's absolutely crazy.
Women off with a stick.
Yeah, it's like I before.
Yeah.
Because I used to wear a hat all the time, and I did go to the gym quite a lot.
Yeah.
So it was all fine. But then you'd come to the questions. When you take a hat off, why do you wear hats all the time? It's like, all right, we stop seeing each other now.
Genuinely know why you're wearing a hat.
No, big time.
Fair.
But they just don't want to go there, if you know what I mean.
Yeah.
So he sort of always just got left at that, and then it was like the 5s or 6s that were just like, okay, yeah, I can, it's fine, I don't mind doing stuff, but then you're like, oh, I don't want people at 5s or 6s, I want 9s and 10s. And then I had this done, and then had my new photos done and everything.
Yeah.
Christ almighty, you would not believe.
Really?
It's ridiculous.
Yeah.
It's nuts.
Oh, I miss being a young man. Just frown up beside you, can for me. And get a good idea of where it can sit. I mean, you'll know anyway when I put it down. Stretch it.
To be fair, when I first had it done, there was only one place that I was sort of bricking telling, and that was the guys where I used to work. I worked for a removal company, and they're all men, you know what I mean. And I went in. They all knew I was getting it done, so I did the groundwork first, and then I went in. And I just thought, you know what, sod it, I'll just go in. And if I took the piss more out of myself than they did, then they'd have nothing to do. But they all loved it. All of them loved it. Yeah. She wasn't on it very long. She was.
Oh, she wasn't.
No, she was one of the new people that came into it halfway through.
Yeah.
She was. I don't think she actually got covered up with anyone.
Quite well known anyway, in their own little right.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, I think one of them had, like, you know, she's an influencer on Instagram, or probably most of them were.
That's right. Yeah.
Is that how you feel about that lengthwise?
Yeah, it's great length.
Yeah.
Shut up. Alright, as you can see, just had it redone. It's looking awesome, ready for blind date. Let's hope I get dated.